Alright, I want to show you one rose that I think is absolutely bad for our region in the south. And this is David Austin, the Royal Jubilee. I have planted this rose, I would think, since August or September 2018. I bought this rose from Heirloom as en route. It never ever do well for me. I mean, it will bloom. It's not like they won't bloom, as you can see. They will bloom, but it is nothing like the website from David Austin. Like from David Austin, I would imagine the bloom will be like chalice size, like at least like more petal and look like this. Okay, and the color should be more like deeper, but just look at it. It's always covered in black spot. Like I don't ever remember this rose do not cover with the black spot, and most of the time it will look just like bare, like there's no leaf on it, because of obvious reason, because it's always with the black spot. And don't get me wrong, it will bloom. I mean, it will bloom just fine, but oh my gosh, it's so ugly. The bush is so ugly, and I just can't. I mean, this is his last year. I'm totally done with this rose, and I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm done with her. I mean, I have no much space in my garden, so I don't need something that would bring disease to and spread to the rest of the rose bed here. So sorry, you gotta go, Royal Jubilee. Can't help it. You are really bad. So if you're in a hot and humid area like I do, because when we say we are humid here, it's no kidding, because like every morning when I wake up, our garden is full, all the leaf is all full with the dew, and there's nothing you can do even if you spray, because I used to spray before that and it doesn't help at all. It's just because of how wet it is here. It's just a climate, and then you can't control your climate, right? So that's why I started no spray, because I don't see the point of it. But you see that? Always like that. So this is Royal Jubilee. I won't get it ever again.